family, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and amazing bougainvillea lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. It's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Are my ingredients: water, granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, lemons, bougainvillea, flowers, and this is everything we need to prepare this refreshing and delicious bougainvillea lemonade. So let's get started. Of course, I want to show you the bougainvillea flower. Look at this. What you need to take out of the bougainvillea flower is the center. This is what you are going to remove. You are only going to use the petals of the bougainvillea. Look at this. This really takes time because you need about 3 to 4 cups of the flower so that your lemonade comes out with that amazing flavor of the bougainvillea. Look at this. I am going to remove the center and the stems, and I'm going to use only the petals of the bougainvillea. This really takes time, but this is very important. Do not leave any of the center pieces in this lemonade, or your lemonade will taste kind of sour, a flavor that of course you're not going to like. So I am going to continue removing the center of the flower of the bougainvillea, and then I'll show you when I am done. Well, here I am done, and I'm adding all my petals into my pan. And from here, let's go to the sink. Let's rinse it really good 2 to 3 times with the running water. Take the water off, continue doing it for about 2 to 3 times, and then it's ready. Once it's ready, nice and clean, then we are going to add 1 liter of water, and we are going to take it to the stove. We are going to cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, making sure that all the flavor of the petals release into the water. Here I'm making my simple syrup. I have the granulated sugar. I'm going to pour it in here, pouring some water, and then straight to the stove. When it's nice and clear and it's bubbling, that means that the simple syrup is done. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm just going to put it aside so it starts cooling down. It started almost boiling, but look at this. It's already releasing the flavor and the color of the bougainvillea into the liquid. Well, while that is cooking, I am going to rinse my lemons really good, and I am going to get all of the delicious juice out of the lemons. Of course, with my little gadget that I bought at Walmart, I'm not going to leave anything of the juice behind. This little gadget really does the trick. I don't leave anything behind. Look at this. You obtain all the delicious juice of the lemon. Okay, I'm going to reserve it, and let's see how this is doing. Look at this. The petals are almost clear. They change color. All the color is in the liquid. Now I'm just going to turn it off, and I am ready to put it through a sifter, making sure that I take all of the petals out. I'm going to go ahead, put it through the sifter, and I'm just going to use all the liquid. Look at the petals, nice and pale. And now I am ready to start adding the juice of the lemon. I am going to add the simple syrup to taste. And of course, I am going to add the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is really going to help combine those amazing flavors. And let me taste. Wow, this is ready. I am ready to prepare my pitcher, of course, with lots of slices of lemon, lots of ice, because it's so hot that I really want to enjoy this bougainvillea lemonade. And now I am ready to pour the lemonade into my pitcher. Look at this. The color, it's amazing. And the flour and the flavor, of course, just refreshing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make this amazing bougainvillea lemonade at home. Instead of buying those soft drinks, you have control of how much sugar your family is intaking. Well, here I am ready for the presentation. But before I do that, I want to prepare my glass of this delicious and amazing bougainvillea lemonade. Of course, the decoration needs to be right on the top, the bougainvillea flowers. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and refreshing bougainvillea lemonade. You need to make it at home. You need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. This lemonade comes out so delicious that I know you guys are going to love it. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how it came out. Excuse me. Definitely amazing, refreshing, perfect for this hot weather. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe and refreshing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.